Hi Taurus, welcome back to Omkara Tarot, and today we're going to be doing an in-depth for you, Taurus, to see how you're feeling, how your person is feeling, and what action can we expect now in this connection. And these are general collective readings, Taurus, will not resonate with all of you out there. Please take what works for you and leave the rest. So let's begin. My angel spirit guides, please bless this reading for Taurus and send them the messages they need to hear the most right now. Thank you. So, Taurus, let's begin your reading. Welcome back, all my subscribers. Thank you for being here again. And if you're new here, Taurus, we welcome you as well. Do join us, subscribe to the channel, become part of us. We welcome you in. So, Taurus, okay. Okay. All right. So, Taurus newbies, I'm going to be setting down two sets of cards here. One side is for you, one side is for your person. And in the center, I'm going to have your dialogue message cards and your action cards. All right. Action for person A, action for person B. Oh, the overall energy of this reading is the Empress. So this entire story revolves around this Empress, who could be a wife, who could be a mother, I don't know, but this person is powerful, beautiful, kind, abundant, loving, everything. So why is the Empress here, I wonder? So there is a disruption, I think, in a family unit. Somebody no longer wants to invest in keeping this family unit together. But somebody else does realize that things are coming to an end, doesn't want it to end, and still wants to show up to say, hey, I'm your person. Okay, whatever. So, Taurus, what I'm going to do is I'm going to start with some dialogue message cards here. See if you guys could say something to each other, what that would be. Taurus and their person. Taurus and their person. If they could say something to each other now, Spirit, what would that be? Taurus and their person, if they could say something to each other now. Taurus and their person. If they could say something to each other now, what would that be, Spirit? One more. All right, got two more. Great. I'm going to take a couple more. Then from here, Taurus. Taurus and their person. All right, good to go. Let's begin your reading, Taurus. The first card here says, I wonder if there is someone else who can make you happier than I can. So somebody feels that maybe the other person has somebody else on their mind who they can be happier or they want to be happier with. I don't know. So somebody is thinking of these things. I wonder, they're wondering, if there is someone else who can make you happier than I can. And Taurus, if any of you are looking for a personal reading, my email is in the description box below. You can reach me there. You deserve to be loved. You are very special. You check all my boxes. How can that be possible? Of course, an Empress will check anyone's boxes here, Taurus. And I'm sure that Empress is you. I fell so deeply in love with you. I tried to walk away from you, but something keeps pulling me back to you. I'm trying to be the person that you see me to be. I never thought I could be that person. But somebody does want to now change maybe, or become a better person, show up in their person's life as a good partner maybe now. I feel so stupid for choosing lust over love. I don't care what my family or anyone else has to say. I want you and nobody else. All right, so Taurus, these cards are resonating with your storyline. Let's start with an angel blessing card and see what my angels have to say to this reading, and then we'll take the action. Start clarifying these cards. My angels for Taurus, please. Blessing, guidance, advice, or a message. Two wanted to pop out. All right, we'll take them. Thank you. Marriage and generosity. Yes, this, like I said, this could be something to do with a marriage here. But sometimes this card, when it comes out, it makes you evaluate what are the connections that no longer resonate with you. What, like this woman is walking out of a house, if you see very closely. So maybe there's some cord cutting to be done in a marriage. I don't know. It's almost like she's escaping from one of the windows of a dark house. But it's also a time to be very, very, very generous with yourself, Taurus. If you're the one who's going through this, you have to be kind to yourself and give to yourself. I think being an empress, somebody is given a lot of their love, attention, care to everything else except themselves. And now it's time for you. So let's see. I'm going to start with the energies of person A now. For me, this is person A, this is going to be person B. Like I said, if it's your story, you know which side you're on. So, for person A, Spirit, 10 of Pentacles in reverse. Why is the 10 of Pentacles in reverse? 10 of Pentacles in reverse. Yes, they feel things are never balanced, they are never just in this connection. And yes, you guys could have been together for some time, but now some things have happened which have created not the best memories here. Somebody is very wrapped up in their past to think of all the injustice that's been done. And this union no longer is kind of seeming that fruitful to them. They feel what a waste of time, what a waste of energy, what a waste of love. You know, nothing really grew here, nothing really fruitified here in this connection. 7 of Pentacles in reverse. 7 of Pentacles in reverse, Spirit. See, 7 of Pentacles is clarified by the 7 of Pentacles in reverse from 2 different decks, Taurus. Now that really clarifies the situation, doesn't it? Somebody is very disappointed in all the past investments. It's almost like a farmer who's sown those seeds and no plants have come out. No fruits have borne. This is disappointment over all the work put in. So what happened in the recent past, Spirit, for person A to be feeling this way? The Hanged Man. Things were really stuck, I think, for a long time. And somebody took some time out and reflected or thought, is it worth it? Maybe waiting for some spiritual insight to guide them, and they've been enlightened now, and they've decided to make some kind of a decision. Yes, they've kind of come to that epiphany, that aha moment, that hey, why am I stuck in a place which is never going to give me emotional happiness? This is not where I want to be stuck in forever. 2 of Wands. 2 of Wands. Yeah, somebody has decided that I no longer want to work on this connection, go backwards. I don't think that there's any kind of forward movement here. I would rather leave this conflict behind and move to a happier, calmer place for myself. Somebody is looking for a rebirth of their life. They're realizing, I want to begin anew. I want a brand new life. This is a conscious decision somebody has made after being stuck, I think, for a very long time, and realizing this 10 of Cups, no emotional happiness, no long-term stability. Wasted time and energy. So how does person A now feel about this connection, Spirit, or about person B? Ace of Pentacles in reverse. They don't see anything really. Yes, the thought of any growth or any, they feel this connection is very unstable. There is no potential for anything stable now in the future, and they're quite stressed out about it as well. A lot of sleepless nights, a lot of worrying, a lot of thinking. One more, Spirit, for the Ace of Pentacles in reverse. Ace of Pentacles in reverse. Yes, they feel that person is a bit of a narcissist. They feel that person is very unemotional, very cold, very harsh, sometimes lies to them, maybe, is emotionally very closed off, can hurt them. And I think person A is now tired of these sleepless nights and over worrying, and is deciding not to move in this direction anymore. So what's this 8 of Wands then, Spirit? 8 of Wands, 8 of Wands. I think person A is now deciding to check out their other options. They want forward movement in their life. They want to get out of this confusion and move. Yes, here's the Empress again. Here she is. Yes, this Empress wants now forward movement. They don't want to be stuck anymore. They now have realized their worth. They know that they are worth, that throne, and they can create abundance and growth anywhere they go. So they kind of may be checking out their options now. Then they're seeing, hey, I have a whole life ahead of me to live, and I have so many experiences that I haven't experienced yet. So yes, person A is now thinking that they no longer want to move towards this connection. What action they'll finally take? Now this is how they're feeling, right? Now what action this person will finally take, I'll open later. Taurus, this could be you. But I'm going to check on person B's energy now first before we open those action cards. All right, so person B. Person B has the World card. Why is that, Spirit? World, why is the World card here for person B? Do they agree to shut the chapter, or yes, this person is also realizing that this is the end of a chapter, end of a cycle. They are also seeing this commitment is now in danger. Things have really the feeling like they've ended. This person is devastated at the ending of this commitment. So, King of Pentacles, King of Pentacles, King of Pentacles, King of Pentacles. They're very angry. They're very, very frustrated. They're very angry. They don't like this situation that has come between the two of you, that things are stuck and things are not moving. They want to fight with person A. They want to fight with person A, and they know it's going to be a tough battle because now this Empress also has a sword in her hands, right? So they're a little afraid of what's going to happen, but they do want to fight for this. King of Pentacles again, Spirit. King of Pentacles and the World card again. One more. King of Pentacles, what do you want to say? Yes, this person wants to fight for it again. They don't feel strong without this Empress in their life. They want to start anew. They want to start a brand new chapter. They are willing to fight for it, and they're willing to now show up as the person that this Empress maybe always wanted. I think there was a card which suggested the same, if I'm not mistaken. One second. I'm trying to be the person that you see me to be. I never thought I could be that person. It's only when now they're realizing that this Queen has her sword up and they may be leaving is when this person is trying now to change. So what happened in the recent past, Spirit, for person B to have this enlightenment and epiphany that they can change? They went into hermit mode. They, I think, went into solitude, went into a bit of quiet time for themselves and tried to get guidance. They could have been getting guidance from maybe elders around them as well, or spiritual teachers. What's this, Spirit? Hermit? What happened in the recent past for this person to have now wanting to try again? Yes, they've realized that they want to stay in that position of being the King of Pentacles. One more. They're very afraid. Yes, they're very, very afraid that this power position of being the person, the King of Pentacles. See, now this is how they want to show up. King of Pentacles, King of Pentacles. And now they... Let's see, one more. Spirit, what happened in the... What was this Hermit card in the recent past? Yes, now they're okay. Now I've got it. Okay, so now this person has been in hermit mode for some time, and they've kind of figured it out. They figured out that, I always hid my true self from my person. I never showed them what I'm really made of. I never put in the work. I maybe never romanced them. I never flirted with them. I never said sweet nothings to them. And no wonder my person is leaving. I should have been more open and not kept myself so closed and kept all my feelings to myself. Now this person wants to show up once more to show what they're really made of. Now they're recognizing all that they kept in the dark. They never showed their partner any emotion, any love, nothing. And this full realization is coming to them now after thinking about it. Why is my person leaving? Why is my person fed up of me? I think this person wants to fight one more time for this connection, Taurus. 7 of Wands, upright spirit. 7 of Wands for person B. 7 of Wands. They're trying to see things from all different perspectives, from their person's point of view, from their point of view, and they're realizing more and more that they're seeing they're realizing, oh my God, yes, I was very selfish. I never took the right direction. This person is very depressed, very low, realizing what their faults were. How does person B now feel about this connection, spirit? Or person A, how do they feel about their person? 8 of Cups. They feel their person is ready to walk. They feel their person is on their way out. They want to leave them. 8 of Cups, spirit? Yes, they feel their person is heading off for a brand new beginning somewhere else. And the 9 of Swords in reverse. 9 of Swords in reverse. This person doesn't want to be stressed out anymore, Taurus. Whoever this person is doesn't want to now be in that limbo anymore. They want to offer something to begin again or start something stable again. This person wants to be over all their sleepless nights now. They don't want this back and forth energy between the two of you. They want it to be dropped. Okay, they realize that person A is their wish fulfillment, and even though it's maybe stagnated at the moment, they do want to come and offer you something. Maybe let's start again, let's start from scratch or something like that. Let's see, what's this? One more card. Yes, they want to now say, okay, now I'm ready. And let's start again, and from now on I will be your King of Pentacles, and we will have equal give and take between the two of us. Okay, so let's see action cards now. Person A, will you take any action towards person B? 5 of Cups in reverse. Person B wants to get out of a place where they will look back in history and have regret and sorrow. So what are you going to do, person A? They want to make a decision. Oh. 5 of Cups, 5 of Cups. But what is the decision now? I know you're making a decision, but what is it? Okay. One more. This person is healing right now. I don't think they've really made a decision. I think they want to make a decision. They're trying to figure out what is the best decision, where later in life I don't have to look back and feel I made a big mistake. So they're actually keeping themselves stuck right now, trying to release the toxicity from their mind. They're not talking to anyone about it. I think this person is just in a healing mode right now, trying to... One more, spirit. What's the action they're going to take towards person B? No, this person is depressed right now. This person is totally depressed. I think this person needs a lot of healing right now. They're confused as to what decision is the best, which will not make them regret their actions in the future. They know they have to drop something in their life and they don't know what. They don't know what offer to take and which one to reject. Person B, Two of Cups in reverse. Why is that an action, Spirit? Why is that an action? Why is that an action? They want to fight for this connection one more time. Yes, they want that choice to be made, that decision to be made. They're doing it from a very immature manner, though, I would like to say. They are realizing that the love is probably lost from this connection and their person is walking away. So instead of bringing them back with love and affection or anything like that, I think this person wants to still kind of stake their claim as to my way is going to be the highway. Because they're seeing the person walk away here. Am I right, Spirit? One more for action from person B's side. Action from person B's side. Yes, they don't want to be single. They don't want their person to ever be single. They are staking their claim. You cannot go out and be single. You are my empress. You have to be with me. So, anything else, Spirit, for Taurus? Anything else for Taurus? Maybe some of you may just escape this connection and go towards new love. There is new love available to you, Taurus. Some of you may just escape this person and move towards something that really makes you happy. Alright, so that's all I have for you, Taurus. Next time then, love and light. Take care. Namaste.